Okay, so hello everyone, this is me Saloni and welcome back to my YouTube channel Engage and Learn. So here I am back with another OG video, and in this video I will talk about the interviews, like what were the questions asked in interview and all the rounds, like how many rounds are there in an interview and what were the questions asked in interview. So I'm sorry that I was not be able to post any videos related to EXL or other companies and interviews, because this month was so tired for me. I was not be able to record or post any video, or so just forget it. And I'm here with the another video and I'm recording this for you all because I'm getting a lot of comments related to interviews and the rounds and a lot of things. And first of all, I will say that you need to go there, and I will not be able to talk like is there any interview going on or not, because I'm not be able to know. Okay, so first of all, I will talk about my experience. What was my experience? So I didn't give my interview through any consultancies, and I gave my interview walk-in drive and just went there, and then I just submitted my resume there, and I just need to wait it there. Of course, it is like MNC companies interview, so it will take a whole day for you, like 7 in the evening or the 6 in the evening, because the manager round it will take time, right? So there are total 5 rounds. First is HR round, second is manager round, then it's normal English test, and then MCAT test and typing test. Documentation and all other things are in a rest. So first we will talk about HR round. So in HR round, they will ask about yourself or your introduction. So if you will tell anything related to your hobbies or your favorite things, so they will ask related to your hobbies. So it was my, like, I talk about movies in my introduction. So they asked me about the movies, tell me about your any movies, and explain that. So I explained that movie, and if you are selected in HR round, then you need to wait for your manager round, and they will tell you that you are selected in HR round. So now you need to just wait for the manager round, and manager round, it will take almost 4 to 5 hours for the manager round, and then manager will come and take your interview. Now, what were the questions asked in manager round? Most of the people get disqualified in manager round, but as HR round is quite easy related to manager round. But what were the questions asked in manager round to me? First of all, like introduction, then they will ask about your family background, your education, and that you are able to do a night shift job or not, what was your expectation related to salary. And there are not big questions, right? But most important, there was a paragraph she shown me, and she asked me to explain that paragraph to her. So I explained that it means only your English should be good, and you will able to clear HR round and manager round. The third one is the English test. In that English test, they will ask about to write a mail, some paragraphs, like in 12th we got to know about the passages. So yeah, that kind of passages they will ask, and 5 to 10 grammar questions, and that's it. You will able to clear all that. Third have done, and the fourth one is the MCAT test. What was in that MCAT test? So simply computer questions, 10 or 5, I forgot it. 10 questions in computer, English, reasoning and maths. That's it. This is it. And typing test is not a big deal, because they will give you some time to practice, and 95% should be accuracy, and 25 word per minute should be your typing speed. So that's it. This was all about the 5 round and interview questions. In the next video, I will ask to my friends that they have different questions or as same. So thanks for watching. If if you enjoyed the video and if you get some motivation or some help from this video, then do subscribe and like the